So this is a story that only happens in the South. I'm in the Texas area and I have to do physical therapy due to my shoulder surgery. So I go into therapy today and there's a young kid in there around 25 years old. He's a cross between, say, a body of Rocky Balboa, Sylvester Stallone, and the NSYNC or Backstreet Boys. Real innocent looking face and a really well developed body. And he had shoulder issues too, so he's in there doing physical therapy. And he's talking to the therapist, and I'm doing my exercises, and I'm listening to him. And, you know, he's very, very heavy Southern accent. I mean, I know I have one, but he's way deep South. And he says, yeah, I don't like this physical therapy at all. And I'll tell you what, if my mama was in here and y'all hurt her, boy, I'd hurt y'all because I'm a big-time mama's boy. And I was just kind of laughing to myself. And they said to him, well, you know, we would never hurt your mama. And he says, well, you know, my mama, she's getting up there in age and, you know, she's having a lot of health problems. She's 70 years old and, you know, I'm the baby of the family and I got a brother that's 27 and I got a brother that's 35. And so I'm doing the math. I'm like, okay, so his mom must have had him when she was like, you know, in her 40s or something like that. And then he says, yeah, he says, and I'll tell you what, he says, my daddy died. And one of the therapists said, well, yeah, I know that your dad died and your brother died recently, right? And he says, yeah, he says, my daddy, he shot himself in the head about, 6 months ago. And he says, you know, he had some demons in his brain and, you know, those demons will come and get you like that. And I was like, yeah, well, you know, that can happen. I'm just listening to all this while he's talking to the therapist. Then, he says, I went into the closet and, you know, my mama didn't tell me that she had my daddy cremated, and there was a bag in the closet, and I thought it was a Christmas present, and I opened it up, and it was my daddy's ashes, and it scared the crap out of me. And I'm like, are you kidding me? And the therapist says, well, when did that happen? He goes, well, just the other day. While I'm 25 years old, it just happened the other day. And my mama didn't tell me that she cremated daddy. And I'm like, oh, my God. Then later on, he sees on the TV there's big shootings in San Bernardino, California, and he's asking about all of that, and the therapists were explaining it to him, and he says, well, you know, I believe in guns. I don't believe that we shouldn't be able to own a gun. And he goes, and I'd have a gun if I wasn't a felon. And I was like, oh, yeah, only in the South, you know, that it's like that. And then one of the therapists says, yeah, well, you know, my brother-in-law is with the law, and he flies in helicopters all day long. And then the kid goes, oh, well, I guess that means that if I do something bad or something wrong, that means I better not take off running because he'll catch me. Is that about right? I just broke out laughing. And then I was having to do some pulley exercises behind the kid, and he was having to throw a ball up against a trampoline and try to catch the ball. And he saw that I was behind him doing the pulley exercises, and he says, well, I don't know if I can catch this ball or not, so I better just move on about and let you finish your exercises, and then I'll get back up there, because if I miss that ball, it's going to hit you in the face. And I got hit in the face the other day by it because I missed it, and I'll tell you, when it hits you in the face, it stings and it burns real bad. I said, yeah, I imagine. And he goes, I'm just saying. Anyhow, this kid, he deserves his own reality show, so who knows? That's, you know, pretty much what I do half the time, so who knows, maybe I'll get him his own reality show. He is something else. But he was a blessing in disguise. He gave me a lot of laughter today, and God bless him and his life. Hope you enjoyed that story.